In many parts of Africa, learning is limited not by ability, but by access. Nhava changes that. It is a portable, offline SmartClass Kit designed for places without electricity or internet. Inside Nhava is a complete digital classroom, a laptop, an interactive projector, a document scanner, a solar-powered battery system, and a rich offline learning library. Preloaded with world-class tools like PhET interactive simulations and GeoGebra, Nhava turns abstract concepts into visual, interactive learning experiences, fully offline. Set up anywhere, power it with the sun, teach with confidence. Nhava is more than a device. It is a bridge, connecting underserved communities to quality education. Nhava, a classroom that travels, a future that opens. With Nhava, the same learning resources found in well-equipped urban schools become available in the most remote classrooms. Location no longer defines opportunity. Background no longer limits potential. Nhava brings educational equality, not in theory, but in practice. Nhava is more than a solution. It is a revolution, redefining how we approach education, development, and inclusion.